Hello, my name is Ali. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Sara. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Which class do you study in?
I study in grade 11. What about you?
I study in grade 12.
That's great. Which school do you study in?
I study at Bright Future School. How many students are there in your class?
There are 35 students in my class.
How far is your home from school?
My home is about 3 kilometers from school. Where do you usually study?
I usually study in my room at home.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English. Where do you want to continue your studies?
I want to study at a good university in Lahore.
What do you want to become in the future?
I want to become an English teacher. What about you?
I want to become a doctor and help people.